We're back here, and moment of truth.
Admit
Admin. All right. Well, we'll stop at exactly 33. All right. And I know it's gonna be really hot, so we need to use spat next time.
Yeah.
So get out spat already. All right.
Yay! Spat gets some screen time right in the time that I should have.
All right. All right.
Okay, it's done.
Whoa! Look, it's steaming.
And it looks
Steaming goodness. Mm-mm-mm. Oh, man. Alright.
Good.
Is the camera seeing it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna. Yeah.
Alright, yeah, just get the other side. Alright.
Wow, I'm starving.
Alright. Well, that's how the final form looks.
Yeah.
Alright. It doesn't look perfect, but it's pretty good. Now, yeah. By the way, we were safe about not using an oven because I'm only 13 and he's like, what, like 8? So,
Kyle!
10. I'm sorry. Alright. Let's close butter. Now the next step, the saddest step, you have to put everything away.
And throw everything
Well, this is the
out
best part, actually.
that you don't need.
Yep, throw everything out you don't need. Alright. And put the bread.
Okay, so this is your sandwich and that's my sandwich.
Yeah, mine looks pretty good.
Now time for the taste test.
Alright, time for the taste test.
Okay.
Alright, hold on.
That is very hot near the center.
Alright, sit. Okay.
Okay. Like Kyle said, okay.
Alright. Taste test. That's really good.
Mine is really warm near the center. Is yours?
It's really good. You should try it.
Oh, that's very hot.
It's not even that hot. Just try a bite. Good, right?
Yeah, I didn't really taste it all that much.
Well, there you have it. You can make a grilled cheese sandwich with just butter, cheese, sweet bread, and of course a microwave. Case proved. Next videos that are coming up are probably how-to basic videos, like how-to basic style videos that are a little bit more funnier, where we don't actually really try to make things. We just destroy. But
Carl,
I don't know, maybe. But maybe.
just don't destroy my kitchen if you do it.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.